Welcome to Unboxing with QwikFone. Today we'll be unboxing the iPhone X in space grey, otherwise known as the iPhone X. As you can see, all our phones come in a QwikFone branded box that looks like this. And all our phones come with a 12 months warranty. Once we open the box, you can see the phone is wrapped in a bubble wrap pocket and has a front and back protector to keep the phone super secure. In the box, you will also find the following items: headphones, a USB charging port, a wall plug, as well as a SIM ejector tool. Now for the exciting part, let's have a look at the phone itself. The phone really does have some of the best features. It has an impressive dual rear 12 megapixel wide angle camera, facial recognition, and a 5.8-inch OLED multi-touch and HD display. I mean, this phone really does feel and look incredible, especially considering it's a refurbished phone. It is available in two colors, silver and space gray. And as mentioned in some of my previous videos, each phone goes through a mandatory quality procedure which checks over 30 functions. If you're looking to find out more information about this smartphone, then do be sure to check out our website www.QwikFone.com. Take care, you guys, and I guess speak to you all soon.